Pakistan is on edge. With mass protests looming at the end of July, the government has dropped a bombshell. A new paramilitary force, named the Federal Constabulary, is being formed. Officially, it's meant to manage natural disasters and emergencies. But let's not pretend. This isn't about floods or earthquakes. This force is being rolled out just in time to deal with one very specific crisis: Imran Khan and his supporters. The announcement came on July 13th. President Asif Zardari approved a federal government plan to transform the Frontier Constabulary into a new, stronger, centrally controlled unit. The plan: deploy this force across Pakistan's cities to maintain law and order. The timing? Days before PTI takes to the streets to demand early elections. Coincidence? Hardly. Critics are calling it what it is: state-sponsored political suppression. Pakistan already has the Rangers, it has the Frontier Corps, it has the police, but apparently that's not enough. This new force, critics warn, will report directly to the Interior Ministry, giving central authorities unchecked control. PTI leaders say it bypasses every democratic safeguard. This isn't a force to serve citizens, it's being built to crush them. International headlines are catching on. Reuters, Al Jazeera, and others report that the government claims the force will help with riot control and intelligence gathering. But here's the catch: none of these forces were called for when pro-government rallies happened.